Hello. Thank you, Q-Link Wireless, for the phone. After being out with friends and gone on a hiking trip, I got lost. And without your phone, I would have never been able to have been found because I had without your service. And they found me, and look, hurt my arm, and in the hospital. Well, anyway, my friends found me because of your phone and your service. It's great. You have the best service, the best data. Without the lifetime data and the free, phone and free lifetime data, I couldn't afford it. And because I'm on a fixed income, but thank you so much. It all worked out. Thank you.